Okay, so today I'm going to work on a couple trees that I did. So I want you to see some simple trees and a more elaborate tree. And then this was just sponge, so the sponge, and then it came with white and Prussian blue across. And then I worked on these guys first and then this. So I just want to show you the trees and how fun that this can be, okay? So what we're going to do first is I'm going to come up here and put with just 16 flat. I'm going, let's see, we're a little crooked there. I'm going to come up here and do a tip and then take my brush and go back and forth. So when we're going back and forth like this, we just keep picking up the Prussian blue and it just gives you such depth and nice looks here, okay? So this is just like a 16 flat. I start over here with it darker. And then, all right, there we go. All right, so now I can come in here with a little bit of white now, and I can just pull up here a little bit here with the 16, okay? But just remember when you're up here doing this part, you want to just kind of zigzag just with the corners, okay? All right, so that's kind of nice and simple. Then when I put the snow and all in here, I just pick up a lot of snow with this brush. All right, and then I can just pull down. Okay, just like that, and it's sitting in the snow. And then before I finish this one over here, I want you to see there's a couple of different ways. I can pick up white and violet pansy with my fan brush, kind of double loaded. All right, so you're going to touch the tip up here, and then you're going to go back and forth with the corner of the brush to get your shape, deciding how big you want to do it. Okay, and then I can come back in here, a little bit of here, a little bit of there. All right, and I could even make this a little bit taller if I want. I got a little bit of glare on here. Let's just bring it up. All right, so look, I want to come across here, and then I can come back with some white. This is just with the corner of the brush. Okay, so see, very simple. All right, one thing that helps you keep your trees straight is if you come down straight first with a line. All right, now one thing that works really nice is I tap up here, then I'm going to go zigzag across, and you can do a tree just like this. All right, so you're just going to come up here and do the top the same way. I'm going to get a tip out there. I should have started at my top a little bit there. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And each tree would be this color, green or whatever color you want it to be, traditional. Okay, so that's just kind of fun. And then now this main tree I did here, I'm going to take floating medium and blue. This is Prussian blue. I'm going to come straight down here. All right, now I'm going to come. Let me help you get this going here. And then I'm going to go down, 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 down. Okay. It looks pretty easy so far, right? All right. And then what happens, I'm going to take my 16 And I can come out here with some of the dark blue before I start doing. And I can brush this into the white paint, which I already have in here on my canvas, right? We're going to come all along here. And you're brushing this into the white, okay? Now this is all I'm going to do. I'm going to come in here with white, and I'm going to start at the bottom. And I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to keep picking up white. Okay, so I can do some flat ones coming up. Okay, and then I'm going to side stroke. And then what you're going to do is just on the white, see right here, side stroke. And we're going to keep going up the tree. And every once in a while, I'm going to do another one of these guys. And they're all kind of simple, plain strokes. Every once in a while, you can come in here and do some little bits. All right, so we're going to come back down here. And these are the boughs of pine, and I have snow sitting on them. See? Isn't that kind of fun? I flatten the 16, let you see the snow, flatten the 16. All right, this is a practice stroke day, so you can see how to make some quick and easy trees. You know what I love to do trees like this for is when I'm doing greeting cards, and you just do any little one with just a flat brush like I did these two. I did use some rake brush, but I mean a fan brush, but you can use a rake brush if you want it smaller. All right, then I'm going to just come right here. All right, and then I just did a star, and there we are. And this is white if it's on the background with the chisel. Okay, I hope you like that. That was quick and easy. Just wanted you to see you can make trees, you can make winter landscapes so easy. Just pull the blue down into the snow. And I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you next week. Please check out my fun painting that I did of floral for this last Wednesday. And guess what? Come join us on onestroke.com is where you get all your supplies. But if you want to be on our Facebook group, you don't want to miss the Facebook group. It is Donna Dewberry's. There's lots of Donna Dewberry and One Stroke Facebook sites. This is Donna Dewberry's official One Stroke group. And come join us. It's so much fun. It's all One Stroke on there, and they're all supportive, wonderful people loving to share with you. So here we go. You too can do this. I took a toothbrush and splattered snow, and look at that. All right. Love you guys. See you next time.